invitation, sir, of General Aglipay extended to our commissioner then at the time, Commissioner Alipio Fernandez, so that the BI can be on board on this project.
So, ibig sabihin, prior to that operation, may invitation na sa inyo?
The night, nung ano po, nung afternoon po, ng 31st ng December.
Pero dumating ka, tapos na.
Kinabukasan na po. January 1 na po yon.
So, it is true na pumunta ka rin doon sa ano? Sa apartment?
Hindi po ako nakatapak po doon. Maaring na-misconstrue lang kasi ako po yung from the main office, kaya sinabi ako nag-lead. Pero actually, meron na po silang coordination doon na nangyayari eh. Kaya siguro nalagyan lang yung pangalan ko doon, sir.
Sa local?
Opo. Meron na po local coordinations na, sir.
Pero hindi mo natandaan yung pangalan nung nasa local?
Tingnan ko po, lalaki po siya, matanda na. I will try to remember his name, sir. If I will ask the immigration, sir, for his name.
Lahat na lang ng mga personnel ng BID na involved doon sa operations na yun. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, we have already directed the COMSEC to coordinate with BID. COMSEC? COMSEC? Yung sa BID po, please coordinate. Para makuha natin lahat ng pangalan tapos imbitahan natin na next hearing. Thank you, Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. Congressman Flores, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. DG Wilkins, sir, last na lang po, a few more questions lang about that Dumoy raid po. Di ba all 6 Chinese nationals were killed in the Dumoy laboratory?
Come again, Mr. Chair.
Yung 6 na Chinese nationals were killed in the Dumoy laboratory. Tama
Yes,
ba?
Mr. Chair.
I saw that picture. Na parang they were found in different areas of the laboratory. Correct?
Come again, Mr.
They
Chair.
were found in the different areas of the laboratory, meaning hindi sila isang room lang.
Hiwa-hiwalay yun.
Yeah.
Sa ilalim yon, sa first floor yon, Mr. Chair.
Hiwa-hiwalay, di ba?
Hiwa-hiwalay yun, Mr. Chair.
And their death was a result of nanlaban.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
How many firearms were recovered from that area?
3 o 4, Mr. Chair. I cannot remember.
How can that be, DG, if 3 or 4 lang yung firearms tapos 6 yung pinatay na nanlaban? Paano yan?
Mr. Chair, yung pinaka-dulo, kasi nagkabarilan na.
Yes, sir.
Pinakamahirap, Mr. Chair, yung magkabarilan sa loob ng clandestine laboratory dahil may hydrodegenator yon.
Okay.
Sasabog yon, Mr. Chair.
Alright.
So, after that, kinlear yung area. Yung isang AIDSOT, Mr. Chair, pumunta sa pinakadulo ng laboratory.
HSOT is what? I'm sorry?
AIDSOT is Anti-Illegal Drug Special Operations Task Force under Colonel Asierto.
Okay.
So, wala siyang body. Pumunta sa pinakadulo, Mr. Chair, kasi naandun yung pinaka parang lababo or something, drainage. Mr. Chair, may bigla sumulpot na isang inchik doon. Talagang sinakal yung AIDSOT. That was the 6th Chinese national that was killed. Talagang yung AIDSOT na naandun, Mr. Chair, is walang baril yun, Mr. Chair.
Unarmed but was fighting.
Pero talagang, Mr. Chair, kasi yung mga tao na 6 doon, ay talagang grabe sa droga. Yung talagang, yung water pipe nila, Mr. Chair, usually water pipe, maliit lang. Yung water pipe nila, Mr. Chair, nasa nasa mineral water. Ganon sila kabigat sa droga during that time.
So I just wanted that clarified because I remember na iyan nga, ilan lang yung firearms na recover and that there were more persons who died compared to the firearms that were recovered in that area. So that's why I asked about it.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So again, PIDEA, can we act on my request kanina na compare natin yung fingerprints based on the case file of that Alan Lim in Cavite?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And can we do it as soon as possible para at least
Yes, sir,
sundukan
we will
natin
submit it.
tong identity ng person na to?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you,
Very
Congressman
quick, Mr.
Flores.
Chair.
Yes, Congressman Luistro.
Mr. Kidato, sabi niyo po kanina magkasama kayo ni DG Wilkins Villanueva sa airport. Ano pong petsa at oras ito?
Paglapag po namin, nandoon na po sila.
What time is that?
It's between 9:30 and 10 o'clock. Your Honor.
Would you know why nandun si DG Villanueva?
Nandoon po nagsama-sama po dumating kasi ma'am yung mga top brass na sinasabi po niya. Ako naman po nagre-represent ako ng Bureau of Immigration, si Congressman Alipio Fernandez. So nandoon din po kami. And afterwards, sabay-sabay po kami pumunta doon po sa Dumoy, doon po sa laboratory na kung saan nangyari noong previous night yung sinasabing parang enkwentro.
Would you confirm kung ang dahilan kung bakit dumating itong top officials is because of the Dumoy
Yes, ma'am.
operation?
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
the reason. So I suppose as well, Mr. Quedato, that during that time, nagkaroon din po kayo ng briefing coming from DG Villanueva, being the one in charge of the operation. Tapos dumating po yung mga key officials. Tama po ba?
Hindi po. Nauna po kasi sila General Aglipay at iba po pong top brass. Nahuli po ako. So ang naabutan ko lang po yun, yung middle ng parang usapan kung ano nangyari nung previous night.
In other words, Mr. Quedato, aside from DG Villanueva, sino pa po ang present among the key officials when you arrive at the airport?
Ang naalala ko po doon, si Colonel Asherto, Wilkins, si previous na Chief of Staff, AFP, Carlos, at mas naalala ko si ma'am yung yung aking unit na PNP si General Aglipay po. Kasi siya nag-imbita po sa amin.
And of course, you are aware that the reason why you were sent to Davao is because of the Dumoy operation. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you bother to ask for update, briefing from the PIDEA?
It was happening at the time when I arrived, ma'am. They were
And-
doing the briefings.
Was it mentioned during the briefing that there were 11 Chinese nationals who were turned over to the Bureau of Immigration?
Wala po, ma'am. Wala po noon.
Don't you find it-
Ang sabi lang po sa amin doon, ma'am, there will be another operations. Nakipag-coordinate po yung yung PIDEA with the local BI office doon sa Davao at
Don't
that
you
time.
find it strange, Mr. Kidato?
Na ano po,
The
ma'am?
reason why the Bureau of Immigration, you were sent to Davao, is because there were foreign nationals who were apprehended and allegedly were turned over to the Bureau of Immigration of Davao City. Don't you find it strange na hindi po kayo in-update ni Director General Villanueva about that turned over that happened just a night ago, a day ago?
Ma'am, allow me to explain, Your Honor. Nalaman ko lang po na meron pong nangyayaring mga iba pang operations. Nung nandoon na po ako doon sa Dumoy, na sinasabi nila simultaneously meron po silang ini-implement na parang check doon sa other side naman po, doon sa parang apartment. But I have not set foot over there, ma'am.
Mr. Kidato, you mentioned a while ago that they conducted a briefing when you arrived.
Yes, ma'am. Informal po.
And I believe that this is one salient incident which transpired during that Dumoy operation. And the reason why BI is being represented during this time is because it involves foreign nationals. Tama po ba?
Yes, ma'am.
You were informed that there were 6 killed Chinese nationals.
Doon po nakafocus, ma'am, yung
Yes,
briefing.
but why were you not informed that there were 11 Chinese nationals who were turned over alive to the Bureau of Immigration?
Later ko na lang po nalaman yun, ma'am, ng bandang hapon na po.
From whom? Was it an official information?
Yes, ma'am. From General Wilkins, Colonel Wilkins.
With all due respect, I find it somewhat like a selective briefing. You were briefed about those who were killed, but you were not briefed at all officially with respect to the 11 turned over alive to the Bureau of Immigration.
As I understand from the briefing that he was saying a while ago, ginawa yata po man kailang operations sa Arlene. Nung kami nandoon pa yata sa Dumoy, while we were visiting Dumoy.